Hi friends, welcome back to AUTOPRO EV. 2020, a year many would prefer to forget, Citroen marked a significant milestone with the introduction of the AUTOPRO. Now 4 years old, this vehicle commemorates its birthday by unveiling a fresh Night Sepia hue, replacing its original blue coat. Described by Citroen as imparting a warm, sturdy, and gratifying appearance, this update signals a new chapter for the AUTOPRO. This dark brown hue makes the AUTOPRO have a whole new personality, providing more depth and quality, while perfectly matching the various color animations and stickers that AUTOPRO can offer. But hold on, there's an additional surprise. The latest iteration of AUTOPRO combines the premium elements of the previous Tonic and Pop versions to introduce the innovative Peps edition. This new version is characterized by its fusion of contrasts, dynamic graphics, and vibrant accents, complemented by practical features designed to enhance everyday convenience. Peps is ready to weave through traffic while playfully resembling a small sports car and adopts elements of urban ruggedness, whatever any of that means. The Peps version has a very expressive front end, with a black graphic band under the windshield animated by sharp yellow horizontal stickers and black headlight rims. Its rear spoiler expresses its dynamism, as do the 4 floral design wheel covers with white decorations. Inside you still get the smartphone clip, door nets with an orange band, a central separation net, a bag hook, and 3 orange storage bins. You can connect your smartphone to the car to access all of its data, including available range, mileage, and maintenance alerts. The My AUTOPRO Play interface turns your smartphone into a dashboard with quick access to navigation, music, radio, or phone calls. The My Cargo Kit is a new clever module offered separately which replaces the cargo version entirely. This will let you have a practical and functional loading space when you need that, and when you don't, you can fold it out of the way to still accommodate 2 people in the car. Citroen describes their My Cargo Kit as enabling effortless loading of various packages, whether for last-mile delivery or other tasks, thanks to its doors-wide opening angle. The vehicle boasts a loading capacity of up to 12 feet superscript 3 overall and up to 7.1 ft superscript 3 beneath the kit's storage net.
Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe for more.